In this video, we'll see how to make money using ChatGPT and OpenAI with zero skills. So for that, open your ChatGPT account, and if your ChatGPT account doesn't look like this, then you're missing out on so many things. To configure your ChatGPT account like this using AI PRM extension, I've already made a video. I'll attach the link somewhere on top. Make sure you click that and watch the video before watching this video. So here, let's type one click. Once you type one click here, you can see we have this option called write a complete book in one click. Click on this. Now we can see that the AI is allocated to ChatGPT. Here you can type any book that you want to write. So say I'm going to write a book about productivity, and then click enter. So now this AI tool is going to write the whole book for me with the book title, with the chapters and everything. So let it write the book for me. Before this completes writing the book, so open a new page and open Canva. In Canva, click on create design. Here type A4. You can see this option right here, A4 document. So here you can search for the template that you actually need. So now we need, for creating a book, we first need the contents. So let's type table of contents. After typing table of contents, we can see there are multiple options that we have to put our table of contents. So let's create a new page. Let this page be for our front poster of our book. So on the second page, let's add the table of contents. This looks pretty cool. Let's add this. So here, this is the table of contents that we are going to create. You can choose anything from this. Also, if you have a student account, you get more options to choose from the table of contents template. So you can use that too. Here, now we should create a front page for our book. So let's see. So the book is almost half done. Here, if you click on continue, ChatGPT will continue writing your book for how much ever chapters you need. So let's stop generating this for now. So here, let's create a new chat and let's search for mid-journey prompts. Now here, search for the front page that you need for your book. So my book is going to be about productivity. So I'll ask ChatGPT to write a prompt. A guy who mastered how to use his time efficiently. Then click enter. You can see that ChatGPT is giving us all the prompts that we need. Let's wait for ChatGPT to complete the prompt. So okay, before ChatGPT completes our prompt, let's open a new tab, search Leonardo AI and enter. So if you guys don't know how to use Leonardo AI, if you guys don't have access to this, I made a video on this topic too. Make sure you watch that video and configure your Leonardo AI to use. I'll put that link somewhere on the top here now. Make sure you watch it. So let's launch the app now. So I'm whitelisted. So here my page is created. So these are different models which are trained by Leonardo AI. You can choose any one of this and before giving the prompt. So I feel like this model is pretty good. Click on this and then click generate with this model. So here, this is where we are going to give our prompt. Remove this. Now go back to ChatGPT. Let me choose this prompt 2 right here. Copy this and then paste it here. And then click on generate. Also here, these are the number of images that will be created for you. Also here, you can adjust your image dimension as per the requirement. So for me, let it be the same. So I'm clicking generate now. So I've created many prompts using ChatGPT and I've used it in Leonardo AI. So these are some of the prompts that I've gave and these are some of the images that I have created. So you can also create those images for your book's front page. So now this is going to be the front page of my book. This is basically a robot holding a bunch of money. So let's add text. You can add texts here, and you can name your book however you want. You can change the text as per your need. You can do anything here. So let this be there for now. Let's delete this. So let Glow be the name of our book. You can change the name of the book as per your need. Also, after this is done, as I put the table of contents here, you can create another page right here. After you create another page, now let's go back and check this productivity guide, which we asked our ChatGPT to create. So here you can copy all this. Here you can format it as per your need. You can take a template from here too for a book, and in design type book. Once you click on book, you get these multiple templates for a book. You can choose this template and add it as a new page. So after creating this book, what we should do is, let's choose page 1. So click on share. Once you click on share, click on download. Here click on download. Make sure you select only page 1 and click on download. And then here you can click on all mockups, or you can click on technology, and you can choose anything you want. Here let's choose all mockups. Here we have this option called books. Click here books. You can scroll a little down. So this is one of the template. You can choose anything as per your need. So if you want a plain blank background, make sure you click on this option called isolated. So you get only the book and not everything. So let's try using this. So this is how our book's mockup is going to look. This is the mockup that we're going to use everywhere to sell our books and to increase the sales. So here you can download this with the highest resolution, which is super high. So now let's go back to Canva, and here you can finish writing the book. And when you click on share, so once the book is done using ChatGPT, you can click on share, and then you can click on download. Here after you click on download, choose all the pages, and then here instead of PNG, choose a PDF print, and then click on download. So this is the front page of our book. So this is going to be the table of contents. This is how our book is going to look. That's it about this video. If you guys have any doubt in this process, make sure you drop a comment. I'm happy to help. See you then. Bye bye.